In 2007, during the final year of my college, I went for a job interview. In that interview, I couldn't even introduce myself clearly. I failed badly, I came back, I couldn't sleep whole night. And the next day, I went to my English teacher. I asked him to prepare me for interview. So my English teacher gave me few question related to interview, and I did practice. Cleared that interview. I was very happy और I thought अब तो हो गया, अब तो मुझे English आ गई. And I convinced my parents I came to Delhi for that job. And I was in client servicing department. So the main struggle started now. Whenever client speak to me in English, they raise their query I couldn't understand. Then I thought कि still I need to work on my communication skill. So initially 1 month what I did, whatever the client raised the question, I used to listen actively. After 1 month active listening, then I got to know कि क्लाइंट की क्या क्वेरी है और कैसे मैं उसको सॉल्व कर सकती हूँ. आई यूज टू आस्क माई मैनेजर एवरी डे. सो उस जॉब को मैंने 1 साल तक किया. 1 साल के बाद आई स्विच्ड माई जॉब एंड आई गॉट प्रमोटेड एज अ टीम लीडर. Again the struggle started. At that time I used to give lots of presentation in front of my seniors. Even sometime I have to give the training to my juniors. So it was really difficult for me. Even I was not able to communicate, I was not able to give the training. When you are not able to present your idea and thoughts clearly in front of others, so you can't explain anything. Then I got to know that कि yes, still I need to work on my communication skill. Explanation नहीं आता है मुझे. Then I started reading a lot, listening a lot, and started recording myself. For example, today I have to give the training on that particular object or particular service. So I used to talk in my mind all the time, and after that I record myself 2 or 3 times before that training. So this is how I got the confidence to speak in front of others. And for the presentation also, I used to prepare myself before the presentation. I used to record myself. I used to pretend like I am in a meeting and I am giving my presentation. So this is how I got the confidence of giving presentation. When I stopped working and entered in a new world of motherhood, at that time I started teaching in a preschool. At that time I got to know that how we can communicate to younger children. So did you get it to me? The different kind of communication, you should aware about it. There's communication is not all about to learning grammar, fancy word, or idiom and phrases. It is all about practical learning. Then I started speaking small sentences that can help children to speak. Between these time I was really passionate about it. I really wanted to know everything about communication, how I can be fluent and good speaker. So at that time I enrolled myself in a soft skill training. In that training also I got the idea how to train people for the communication skills, but I didn't get the chance to do the practice of speaking. Yes, I have done my soft skill training as well because I was very passionate about it. So I would like, definitely, if you are a small town girl and you really want to improve your communication skill, even whoever are watching me and you are struggling to learn this language, don't pressurize yourself. Don't be hard yourself. It's a long time journey. You will learn, you will improve, your confidence will increase. So, fluent speaking or effective communication doesn't come with new words or grammar. Focus on another side of communication. If you want to become an effective communicator, number one, एक्टिव लिसनिंग. जो भी सुनते हैं बहुत ही ध्यान से सुने उसको, ताकि वो आप अपनी लाइफ में यूज कर पाए. नंबर टू, रिकॉर्ड योर सेल्फ फॉर योर गुड बॉडी पोस्चर, वर्ड्स, प्रोनाउंसिएशन. नंबर थ्री, अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं, कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सक्सेस एज वेल. कंटिन्यू जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ना, तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है, क्योंकि आप चीज़ों को लेके बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाते हैं. नंबर फोर, अगर आप इंग्लिश सीखने की जर्नी पे हैं, तो आने वाले 2 से 3 महीने तक आप जो भी देखें, जो भी सुने, हिंदी में सुने या किसी भी मदर टंग में आप सुने, आप उसको सोचें कि मैं इंग्लिश में कैसे इसको बोलूँगी. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट दिखता है, इंग्लिश में सोचिए कि इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं. बाहर जाते हैं, कुछ भी लिखा है, सोचिए इंग्लिश में इसको कैसे बोलते हैं. जब इस तरीके की इंटेंशन आप रखते हैं, तो आने वाले 2 से 3 महीने में, कहते हैं ना, इंग्लिश में ही सोचो. दैट्स द हाउ यू बिल्ड योर दिस लिसनिंग स्किल. ऐसे आप सोचना स्टार्ट करते हैं और बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं इंग्लिश में. या now I help people to build their communication skill. So I hope you will get lots of information with this video and you will improve your communication skill through these wonderful idea that helped me a lot. If you are interested to connect me, you can mail me on my mail id confidencecirclehub@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.